Hi guys, so today's video is unboxing the Fab GlamEgo box, and it's my first time trying their box, the beauty subscription box out. And I think it's quite obvious that I'm a big fan of like custom boxes or custom beauty products or like beauty subscription boxes because I honestly take it like a present to me from myself because no one else is gifting me these. And I think quite a few times the products inside are worth it. So in this video I'm going to show you what I got in the February GlamEgo box. Firstly, I would like to start with the box. So initially when you subscribe, you get a mail for makeup selection, and so in the makeup selection you also get to choose the kind of box you want like for the products. And I don't know how long it's valid for. Maybe I booked earlier, so I did get to pick, because they kept saying that there's limited variants and limited boxes, so I think the later ones don't really get a choice. And the box that I picked was the feather box, and it looks like this. And I think there were other options such as a Santa Claus kind of box and like one with an Indian-ish drawing or something, but I really like this. It's matte, which is amazing. It just appeals to the designer in me whenever. I don't know actually, it's not just the designer in me because I also like matte makeup. Moving on to the products. So in this month's GlamEgo box, I got 2 lipsticks, and I mean that's actually technically the reason I got it because I'm this big lipstick hoarder and I have so many of them, but I still keep buying them. And I was like, okay, I have to pay just 400 for the box and I'm getting 2 lipsticks and 2 other products, why not? And so the first lipstick that I'm introducing to you is the one that I'm wearing right now, which is Starstruck by Sunny Leone in the shade Sugar Plum. So you get to pick from 4 different options, and I picked it because I thought it would look slightly darker than it does here, so that's a slight disappointment, but it's okay. I think I should just learn that whatever you see on the internet isn't how it turns out really. So the MRP of this lipstick is $7.99, and well, you're getting it in a box with 3 other products for 400, which is a great deal. And the finish, well, it's supposed to be matte, but it's more creamy really, and I just feel like it doesn't last too long because of how creamy it is. And I personally don't like it too much, and like I'm just glad I got it in the box, because if I have to pay separately for this, then it's not really worth it. The next lipstick that I got was a Bella Vostre lipstick. So now here there were a lot more variants to pick from. Some were satin, some were matte, and as you can guess, I went for matte. And it's the shade Love It, which is, so basically both the shades I picked turned out to be quite similar looking, and I sort of expected them to be a bit different. Like I expected Sugar Plum to be a bit darker. Love It on the other hand is fine, I guess, because it showed to be a slight pink, and I was okay with it. And this one has a good matte finish, and I think the MRP for this one is 300 or so, and I'm quite happy with this one. Next, you get to pick a skincare product, which can be a face oil or a gel, and I think there were a few other variants which I can't really remember, but I remember there were like 5 options, and I picked the Red Wine Sleeping Face Gel by the Nature Co. And the reason I picked this is, well, basically I went and before selecting all the items, I looked them up, I saw the reviews and then decided. So face oil in general I feel is not something I need at this point in life, so I didn't want to take it. Gel on the other hand, I was intrigued because it said sleeping face gel, so I was wondering if it just has to do with the fact that like you put it at night, or does it have any other sort of thing here. So I ordered it because people had mentioned that it's good for dry skin, and like if you put it in the morning it would be all moisturized, which is great because I have dry skin anyway. And I've used it for 3 days, and it smells like the kind of jellies I used to eat as a kid. like the strawberry flavored jellies or something, which is great. I mean, it makes me want to eat it, but I can't, and I haven't done it. I don't know how good the moisturization is. It works really well at night. I feel like it has a good cooling effect that gels usually do. And so basically this thing happens to me every time I have a bath, but it's because I have a habit of having a bath with really hot water. So even if my skin is moisturized, I'll get out of my bath, and then once my face dries up the water, it's back to being dry because of how hot the water was. So really it's not the gel's fault, it's mine. And the last thing that I got was this acne soap. It's an anti-acne soap from a Japanese brand, and I haven't really used it because I didn't really have any need to use it. And honestly I feel like I don't really have a need to use anti-acne soaps in general. So I don't know, I mean I think I'll just probably be giving this back home because like someone in my family can just use it. And like I have way too many soaps really, so this is just gonna be lying there. Like I said, I just really was obsessed with the fact that I'm gonna get 2 lipsticks, and I just ordered it, and it was worth it, by the way. That's all the products that I got in my February GlamEgo box, and I think it's a pretty good deal, and if it's still there I think you all should go for it because it's 400 bucks and you're getting 4 products, 2 of which are lipsticks. And even the gel that you get, gel or face oil, it's I think specially packed for GlamEgo, and the quantity is decent for you to try it out. Like even this would last me like a really long time even if I applied it daily every night. Also there's this chit that like comes in, and it says that like basically because you're getting a lipstick, the Starstruck one by Sunny Leone, if you post a picture of the whole box of the lipstick and tag both GlamEgo box and Sunny Leone and Starstruck by Sunny Leone, so you stand a chance to win like the entire range of shades, which sounds amazing, and I really want to. So I mean, if any of you get this idea from here, I think you should give it to me. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.